We are talking about the setting of the story. Now, you have learned about the setting in the story in first and second grade. That's where the story takes place. However, when you were in first and second grade, you could say, well, it was inside, inside or outside. But when you get to third grade, we want you to be more specific. And one of the ways that you can really talk about the setting and share your thinking is by writing or making a sketch, drawing a sketch of the setting. Here in the middle of the slide, you will see a sketch of the story called Crane Boy. And notice that it is a simple drawing. A sketch is just a simple drawing. It doesn't have to be elaborate or fancy. It's just simple. And look at the sketch and see how it helps to know where this story takes place. Look at it very carefully. Where do you think the story takes place? Do you see buildings like this in America? Well, when you look at this sketch, hopefully it'll show you that it's not in America. It takes place in another country. The buildings in the story are shaped like this, and the people in the story also, you can see by the way they dress and the way they look and the figures in the story that they come from China. So this is a story from China. And so this drawing kind of helps us see what is important. It is also called Crane Boy. So the sketch is also about a boy dressed up like cranes down there on the bottom. So it's important to label your drawings as well. As you can see, the words down there talks about about his classmates, and it kind of talks a little bit about the setting. So today, I would like you to think about the setting of a story that you are reading. The setting is one of the things you can write about when you are sharing your thinking about your reading. Today, spend some time thinking about the setting in the book you are reading. After you read, take some time to draw a sketch of the setting in your reader's notebook. You know that green reader's notebook? Open to a page and draw the setting of your book. Go ahead and write the title at the top so we know what book you're sketching about, and then draw your sketch, and then at the bottom do some labels. Label your picture. Let us know what your sketch is about. Label where a story takes place and talk about the details that you decide to include in your sketch. And then share your thinking. Show your picture with your parent or your classmates or your teacher.